Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. Now we are going to learn about passive voice of simple present tense. In the passive voice, subject is receiver of the action. In the active voice, the subject is doer of the action. Already we learned 12 tenses. They all are active voices. There are some rules. Active voices changes to passive voice. Rule 1. Subject changes object and object changes subject. Rule 2. Main verb past participle, that is V3, and suitable be form is added before it. Rule 3. Preposition word like by, mostly, or to, or with, or etc. is used before object. In this tense, suitable be form am or is or are. We know that their usage am is used with only I. Is used with third person singular. They are he, she, it. Are is used with plural. They are we, you, and they. Now we are going to learn simple present tense, that is active voice, changes into passive voice. Example, serial number 1. Mosquito stings me. Mosquito is subject. Stings is singular verb. Me is object. The passive voice, me subject pronoun is I, so I am stung by mosquito. Sting is base form. Stings is singular. Stung is past. past participle also stung. So passive voice is I am stung by mosquito. Second sentence, I know her. I is subject, know is verb, her is object. KNO no is base form, that is present. First form is KNEW, new. Past participle is KNOWN, known. So passive voice is she is known to me. Third sentence, love fills my heart. Here, love is subject, fills is singular verb, my heart is object. FILL fill base form, FILLS fills singular, FILLED fill past tense. Past participle also FILLED filled. So my heart is filled with love. Here with is suitable V form. The second also to is suitable B form. Fourth sentence, they eat mangoes. They is subject, eat is verb, mangoes is object. Here eat, EAT, eat is base form, that is present. ATE, ate, past. EATEN, eaten, past participle. So mangoes are eaten by them. These are all are positive sentences. And we want to negative sentence. We write mosquito doesn't sting me. In the passive voice, I am not stung by mosquito. The second sentence, I don't know her. The passive voice, she isn't known to me. Third sentence, love doesn't fill my heart. The passive, my heart is not filled with love. Fourth sentence, they don't eat mangoes. Passive, mangoes are not eaten by them. If you want question, first sentence, does mosquito sting me? And add question mark. The passive, am I stung by mosquito? And add question mark. Second sentence, do I know her? And add question mark. The passive, is she known to me? And add question mark. Third sentence, does love fill my heart? And add question mark. The passive, is my heart filled with love? Add question mark. Fourth sentence, do they eat mangoes? Mangoes are eaten by them. It is a change question. Are mangoes eaten by them? And add question mark. Here mangoes is plural, so we write suitable V form is are, A-R-E. My heart and she is singular, so we write there is. I is singular, we know that am is used with I only, and is used with he, she, it, and are is used with plural. They are, they, you, we, you. We try to practice with other useful main verb, that is past participle, and subjects to improve our knowledge in the passive voice of simple present tense. Thank you.